How are you, everyone? Today I'm here to talk about the adopted children in the green card lottery. You have won the green card or you are applying for the green card, but you have adopted children. So what is going to happen on that situation, whether if in case you win or in case you want to do application, are you allowed to include adopted child into the application, or in case you have won, are you allowed to come with adopted child? Welcome everyone, this is Ernest Boniface Makolo EBM to the EBM Scholars Show. We are here talking about how you can be able to succeed on so many things in your life. One among is immigration, and particularly green card lottery or any other ways of getting green card. So we know many people from developing countries, we have extended families. So some members I've seen, maybe your sister passed away or a brother passed away, or you are raised by the uncle, you are raised by grandmother, whatever. You might be raised by another person for so many reasons. It might be medical reasons, it might be death, it might be just the life hardship. You are being raised by another person. Being raised by another person doesn't mean that you have been adopted. You have to know that. I know in African context sometimes, or Asian context sometimes, oh, I've been helping this kid. Her father passed away while she was 1 month old, or was 2 weeks old. So I've been raising that child as my own, and she calls me mother, or she calls me father. Yes, all these things are good. I agree. But as long as you don't have court documentation that you have adopted that child, you are just doing another favor that I'm raising this child. It's just like you decide, like, I want to sponsor a child. You are not having legal authority over that particular child. Remember, as I've been talking over and over, we are not doing this based on the African rules and culture. We are doing these things based on the American law. And especially when we talk about children, there are a lot of regulations international to protect the rights of the children. And especially traveling with the children cross-country, cross-continental, because there are possibilities someone can just take a child somewhere by force, go there and cause another trouble, doing modern-day slavery, doing things which are not allowed or properly recognized. So, if you have been living with a child, maybe the parents of the child have passed away, or maybe someone which is sad dropped the child somewhere or to the orphanage center, and you went there on the orphanage center, you pick up that child, you have been helping the child maybe for the last 10 years, which is still good. The child will call you mother or father, whatever they call you, but you are not a parent. You haven't adopted the child unless otherwise you have a court document that officially you have adopted this child. Out of that, the child you're just helping into food, shelter, all other things. So in that situation, if you are having that situation, make sure that you are going to file to the court to prove that you have adopted a child. So don't wait until the day of interview to go to find this documentation. It's a long process. I believe in many courts around the world, it's a long process to file adoption in that situation. So what is the better way? The better way, just even for yourself, it's not about the green card lottery. You need to just put things into a law. Because even if you are raising that child, what if you die today? What other people, if the relative come there and say, okay, we don't recognize you, you are not a child, show us the documentation. You don't have. Even if they raised you, but you need to have a documentation to say that I was being adopted, so I have the right in this particular family. So if you do that, then you can be able to come. Because it's been a problem for many people. They say, oh, I have 2 kids, but maybe one is his child, another one is adopted, or the child of a relative. I've been paying for school fees, so I'm just like the mother. No. I'm just like your father. No, you are not. You are according to the law. And you cannot travel with a child. You cannot be given a green card visa to come with a child who is not yours or not adopted. You are allowed to come with a stepchild. But as long as the parent of that one, you are married to a person, you are married to a guy has a child. So you have won as a mother or the wife, you can come with the husband and you can come with the child of the husband. Or you are married, you have a child, the husband is marrying you is coming along and you come with the what you call stepchild, we can come along together. Make sure that you have court documentation on so many things you need to have, you need to prepare in case you win the green card lottery. So thank you everyone. It is a short video. Make sure that you understand what does it take to make sure that you follow the proper procedure, everyone. Remember to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so. Again, this is Ernest EBM, and goodbye everyone.